Hello everyone, welcome back. News headlines in English to speak in today's morning assembly means 21st of January. And first of all, national news. Supreme Court declined to interfere in Samir Wankhade promotion. Won't cancel any flights under new rules, Indigo told aviation regulator. Supreme Court said will close most hate speech petitions pending since 2021. India will never allow illegal immigrants to loot its people, PM Modi. SIR of electoral rolls is legislative in nature, poll body to top court. Indigo has enough pilots, operations stabilized, aviation watchdog. Now, international news. International gangster UK leader blasts Trump over Greenland bullying. China invited to join Trump's Board of Peace, response awaited. UK seeks to ease global talent visas as finance minister heads to Davos. Hard to imagine Zelensky hesitant to work with Putin on Gaza peace board. Now sports news. BCCI official revealed reason behind Virat Kohli Rohit Sharma's central contract demotion. Bangladesh responded to ICC ultimatum on T20 World Cup, alleged unreasonable pressure. News related to business. IIT Delhi introduced executive program in healthcare entrepreneurship. And gold at rupees 1.5 lakh mark, silver hit all-time high amid global uncertainty. And that's all in news. Thank you.